Guys, Hippie here with a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my first tutorials, how to make Michael Myers' escape mask from the remake. So the things you're going to need is a cereal box, some Elmer's glue, some hot glue gun, or any glue actually, red and yellow paint, or orange, but I like red and yellow because it gives the color texturing. So we're going to be making this mask right here. And don't forget a pair of scissors and something to draw with, and a white string. So we're going to get on with the tutorial. So we're going to start off with drawing shapes. Like, we're going to start off with the jaw, and then like the other parts and stuff. You drew the jaw, but you're going to want to make the jaw kind of big. But once you're done with it, start cutting the things out. So this one was a mistake. You should probably draw your things bigger. Like, yeah. Once you cut out the shape, you want to start snipping parts of the thing so we could start, like, making a curve at the bottom. You may not see in camera, but then when I bend it, you could see how I cut it. Now we're going to kind of like fold it or overlap on each other and glue it. Now I just traced out the part under the jaw. Right under the nose, I mean. Or on top of the jaw, basically. But I'm still going to wait for my glue gun to heat up as I glue this in so we could have a curve around his chin. And yeah. And remember, his mask is not perfectly made, so it's made of paper mache only, so it's fine if you mess up. So I just finished making the bottom jaw. I mean the jaw, and so we're gonna have this part. We're gonna start curving this part now. So far you should have two of these parts right here. So the jaw, and now we're gonna move on to the main, like, if you just take it off, it looks like a wrestler mask basically. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna call it the wrestler mask. Make sure you make a nose too. So basically it's gonna be like this. So far this is what we have. So after you got every piece cut out, you might want to glue the nose onto here, but then leave everything unglued. We're gonna cover it all with paper mache, color it, and then glue it together, and then add the strap. The nose is connected to the wrestler mask, so yeah. So this is what it looks like when it's paper mached. I have the quick glue dry, or the quick drying glue by Elmer. That's the best for paper mache for me. This is how it looks. You kind of want to separate it so it doesn't glue together, but yeah. Oh yeah, and you want to let it dry for like an hour. Well, see that later. Now once it dries, you could paint it orange like I did and let it dry. If you need to, put on like 2 coats or as many coats as you need. And then we're gonna put it on and then put on the straps. And then boom, you put it together. You got this masterpiece that soon could be in your collection if you do this. All you need to do is get a hole puncher, put those 2 on the side, or punch a hole on those sides, and then tie a white, like a string, or not string, but like a ribbon, because in the movie he had a ribbon. But once again, Rob Zombie, his movie was straight up terrible, to be honest. Some people like it, it's my opinion. Don't kill me for this, but I just don't like it. But this is how you make the mask, and yep, and see you guys in the next video.